Hello everyone, today I will show you how to log out of Worldcoin app. The World app does not currently support a direct log out feature. This means you cannot simply go into the settings and press a log out button like you might in other apps. Instead, the only way to log out of your account is to remove the app from your device and then reinstall it again. I will explain exactly how you can do that. First, go to your phone's home screen and find the World app icon. Press and hold the icon until you see options appear. On most devices, you will see an uninstall or remove option. Tap on uninstall. Your device will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete the app. Confirm the action and wait a few seconds until the app is completely removed from your phone. Now that the app has been uninstalled, the account is no longer signed in on your device. To use the app again, you will need to reinstall it. For that, open the Google Play Store if you are using Android or the App Store if you are on iPhone. In the search bar, type World app and download it again. Once it finishes installing, open the app from your home screen. When you open the freshly installed app, it will start as new. You will see the welcome screen where you can either log in with your existing account or create a new one. Thanks for watching.